Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in an animation to your cutout in CapCut. Super simple. You're just going to select your picture and then you're going to want to select copy. Then you're going to want to move it as an overlay. So, sorry. Then you're going to want to select the clip again, go to Cutout and select Remove Background. Press the check mark button and then you are going to go back and you're going to want to copy that. You're going to layer it on top of that photo, like so. And on this photo, you're going to want to go to Animation and you're going to go to Combo. And you're going to find the train animation. And you're going to want to add in the train for animation. You can also adjust the duration of it as well. But that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!